Previously, I showed you how to install these Sonoff Zigbee smart plug. They act as a node, part of the mesh network, to improve signal strength throughout the house for all of your sensors. Here's a quick look at my house. The star is the hub where it's located, and here you can see various smart plugs acting as repeaters to increase the Zigbee signal strength throughout the house. It's incredible. So while most people use this to actually turn the lights on and off, myself, I don't use the lights. I actually use these buttons right here. These buttons can be used to trigger any actions as needed, as desired. So here's an action that relates to a previous video that I made, electric strike for door locks. On the outside, we can unlock any way we want using NFC, keypad, and fob. But on the inside, how do you unlock? Well, now you know, we're using the smart plug to unlock the door from anywhere in the house. Let's take a look, shall we? Go ahead and create a new automation. For entity, I'm using the smart plug that's located in the sunroom. It doesn't matter what the state is, from, to. You don't really care if it turns from on to off or off to on. I'm just going to leave it blank. What that means is whenever the button is pressed, then an action occurs. On the action side, you can see that it's used to unlock the electric strike. When power is applied to the electric strike, it unlocks the door instantly. Alright, hopefully this video helps you to get more creative using these smart plugs as hardwired buttons. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.